All right, we're at El Corte Inglés in Valencia, and we've got some Thyssen elevators. Look at this, touch sensitive button. Only problem is that these are insanely busy. I've literally had to wait for two by now to pass by just because they're so full.
Perdón, te baja.
All right. This is going to be the brief time that we actually have one of these empty. So let's get the cab view now. We're already stopping. ¿Qué piso?
Planta baja.
No, ¿para qué la planta baja?
Vamos a ver cómo está el panorama.
¿Ve?
Sí.
No, sí, no vamos a ver.
No, es que vamos al sexto, pero bueno, pero
Al sexto
vamos.
vamos después. Vamos a ver primeramente qué nos pueden ofrecer ahí.
No,
¿Cómo que dos? No, por una sola.
no, que mira ya el Luis cuando dijo ya no
No,
va a
todos
quitar.
subimos a verlo.
Digo, miente, vamos a ver.
Tengo esto buenas noches.
Hasta luego.
So let's hope this thing just stays not busy. No way I get a full ride, or at least somewhat full. Holy shit. No way we actually got a full ride on these. See how long that lasts. Whoa. No way. Oh, that one's a lot busier. Hold on. Yeah, that one just left and that one's super busy. Bajando.
Bajando, sí.
Bajando.
Por la otra.
Revisa ella primero.
Permiso. I think the video can do without a screening kit. Anyway, here is the main bank. Yeah. Oh, that's the one that just closed up. So as you can see, that one's already taking a lot longer just to get somewhere. Let's see here. Maybe if I can catch one more and get one more ride for the video, that would be nice, but I'm not sure the probability of that happening. That one's down at level SF. Let's just hit both of them at this point. That one. ¿A qué piso vas?
Andrés, hogar homenaje.
I think that's gonna be it. I'm trying to avoid having kids yelling and crying in the elevator while I'm filming, but that's kind of inevitable. So I got a good enough video as it was. These things are just crazy busy, so I don't think I'm gonna get much more good footage besides that. So I'm calling it here. That will be it.